Have you ever thought why do many programmers love ReactJS? Let's find out. React is a library built for JavaScript, which allows you to say what you want to do instead of doing it. What do I mean by that? Let's take an example. Suppose you have a cook in the house. You tell them what you want to be made today. You don't go ahead and tell them this should be the amount of sugar, this should be the amount of water that should go, this should be the amount of spices that should go on, and so on. Similarly in JavaScript, if you're writing JavaScript, you need to define every single thing. What needs to be done, what's need to go where, and so on. React is a declarative library. That means you just need to tell React, here is my placeholder, here is my state, and I am gonna update my state. React would automatically take care of all the updates, which you see on the screen. That means you just tell React what you want to do. How it is being done, that is handled by React itself. So that's why many programmers love ReactJS. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning.